Hi, my name is Rajan Sarkar. I am a wealth advisor with 16 years of experience and managing close to 40 families for of around 200 crores. I am also the director and the unit head of Anand Rathi Private Wealth. Today, I am going to talk about why do we need a registered will. Now, so first is that we need to understand that wealth is infinite, but the life is finite. Now, normally, what I have seen, the normal client apprehension while you talk about drafting a will is this follows. First, it is too early to or I am too young to create a will. Secondly, they talk about insecurity among the family members, which can create, which may create because of while creating a will. Third, that the relationship in the family member is absolutely cordial, and then why do I need a will? Now, let us first understand that what are the five fallouts of not having a will. Now, the first is the succession law. If we do not have a will in India, then the succession law will come into effect. Now, there are succession laws applicable to different regions, like Hindu Succession Act 1956, then the Indian Succession Act 1925, and for then that is Sharia law. Now, Hindu Succession Act 1956 is applicable to Hindu, Buddhist, Jain, and Sikhs. Now, these talk about that male members dying intestate. That means male member not having a will. The wealth will be passed on equally between the wife, mother, and children. And while in the case of a death of a female member, wealth will be passed on equally between husband and children. Similarly, the Indian Succession Act 1925 is applicable for Christians and Parsis, and then the Sharia law, which is applicable for Muslims. Now, the second fallout of not having a will is unwanted distress. Now, many a times the court may ask to get a succession certificate. Succession certificates only for movable assets, or it can be a letter of administration, which may be a movable for movable and non-movable assets. Third, it can be a costly affair. So in India, the cost of getting a succession certificate or a letter of administration is 3 to 5% of the total wealth. Now, the fourth reason of not having a will, the fallout, is can be a lost in transmission. Now, children may not be unaware, may be unaware of all your investments, and it could remain unclaimed forever. Now, just to give you a data, 30,000 crores lying unclaimed in banks, life insurance policies, mutual funds and stocks, and employees provident fund organizations. Fifth reason, bitter feuds and legal hassles. We all know some of the high profile cases, like after the death of the Dhirubhai Ambani, the two sons, they fought with each other. Now, five things while the clients needs to have in mind while creating the will. One is that include all assets. Now, what are the assets? Common assets can be property, jewelry, financial instruments. Uncommon assets, what can be the uncommon assets? So, uncommon assets can be business shareholding, watches, artifacts, expected inheritance, etc. Synchronize, the second point is that synchronize nominations. Nominee is a custodian, not a owner for some of the assets like bank account, PPF. Nominee is a owner for some of the assets like employees provident fund, mutual funds, and demat account. And insurance policy, now owner are spouse, children, parents, custodian are all others. So in Indian succession policies are gray. So different financial instruments have different meaning for a nominee. Now also the immovable property of Maharashtra and West Bengal, nominee is custodian and not an owner. While creating a will, the third point needs to be kept in mind that we need to have appoint guardians for minor. Fourth is appoint an executor. If you do not have one, then the court will appoint one. So executor should be younger than you and residing in India. Fifth is registration of will. So registration of will gives more authenticity of the will, and to create more authenticity, attach a doctor's certificates. Now, while we talk about will, there is one particular term which is very important, which is a probate. Probate is a certificate by the court which states that this is your last and final will. So immovable property, if you have in Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, and Pune, probate is required. It takes 6 months to a year to get a probate. So the lastly, what I can say by while concluding, what I can say is that will is nothing but writing the implied. Thank you.